Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a double arrow in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook, then go to the insert menu. Select the shape drop down menu and we can see here many shape. Now I am select the double line arrow, then you can draw this arrow horizontally or vertically. Now I am draw vertically. Select, press and hold the shift on our keyboard to draw the arrow perfectly. Select the arrow, go to the shape format menu, choose shape outline. You can change your color. Now I am make the color black. Select the outline option again and increase the white. You can increase the white. Now we can see we insert double line arrow in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.